Hey guys, Ivan here at ivanmana.com. In this video, I want to show you the quickest way to make money online with MaxBounty. So you don't need a website, a landing page, a thank you page, email autoresponder. It's going to be super quick and easy. We're going to do everything together here live in this video. I know I've been doing a lot of ClickBank videos, and so I just wanted to shift gears a little bit to show you that everything I teach you, everything I show you is applicable to any affiliate product, any affiliate network. All the methods work, whatever you do. For those of you new to the channel, welcome. My name is Ivan. I have been doing affiliate and online marketing for the past 4 years. I've generated a full-time 6-figure income working from home, just me and my laptop. And on this channel, I want to teach you how to do it, because if you put in the hard work, you put in the effort, you do your best, you too can see results. You just have to keep going. And look, I started 4 years ago. I had no idea what this is. I had no idea what MaxBounty, what ClickBank was. I started completely from scratch, guys. And I built it up, and you can too, all right? And this video is gonna be one of those introductory videos that will help you get started and make money online. And this is that same exact method that, if we look at my MaxBounty sales, if I run the report, helped me make maybe a little bit over $2,000 or so with MaxBounty. I switched from MaxBounty to ClickBank, so that's why you don't see as many sales here as you would in ClickBank, just because MaxBounty is a lot more restrictive. Before I get into it, guys, make sure to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you get notified when I release more videos just like this to help you make money online, all right? So let's get into it. As you can see here, examples of some offers I ran, maybe a little bit over 2,000 here. But let's start off, let's find an offer. Let me show you the whole process, all right? Again, you don't need to build a website. We're gonna do everything here, guys. You can do it too. It's gonna be up to you then to go in and find your offers. So let's go into browse. Actually, let's go into search. And let's make sure that we find an offer approved to run. Now, just like for ClickBank, if you saw my ClickBank videos, I do like offers that pay over $100 in commission. So in this case, we're gonna sort by, price, how much they pay. I haven't tried promoting Bitcoin offers. You can apply what I'm gonna show you in this video to these offers and get, $725 per lead. You can try it. I haven't tried it. I normally stick to health and wealth. So for example, Skincell Pro, as you saw, this was one of the big products that I used to promote. So $88 per lead, almost 100. This is pretty good. So what we're gonna do is let's go ahead and click here and let's go through the process. So we're gonna build a tracking link, right? So let's suppose we are doing this on search. This is a raw link, and this is gonna be our affiliate link right here, okay? Now, we don't wanna use this in our traffic source, which is going to be Microsoft Ads. I do suggest that if you're just starting out, you go with Microsoft Ads, very beginner friendly and much more friendly to affiliate products in general. So we do want to create a tracking link for several reasons. One is it'll just look nicer than this link. And the second most important reason is you get to track, right? So with a tracking link, you will actually be able to track and see what works, what keywords work, what ad groups work. I get a lot of people, guys, a lot of you messaging me saying, hey, can you see what I'm doing wrong? And the first thing I ask them is, hey, are you tracking? Like, do you know what works? Like, which keywords work? And they say no. And it's like, well, then, obviously you can't optimize, you can't improve because you don't know what's working, right? If you track, then you will be able to know what works, what doesn't. And so in order for us to track, you do have to use a third-party tracking system. You can use whatever you want, guys. I am using ClickMagick. I've been using these guys for 4 years. You can sign up using my link at go.ivanmana.com/clickmagick, and I'm gonna show you everything here. I also have a YouTube playlist with like 60 plus ClickMagick videos, so you'll never get lost. But what we're gonna do, the first thing is create a tracking link here, so we can actually track and we can use it in Microsoft. And then we're gonna go into Microsoft Ads and we're gonna create a campaign, okay? This is gonna be by far, guys, the quickest way to make money with MaxBounty or any offer, all right? So this is gonna be our offer, search, raw link, okay? Make sure you read the restrictions, make sure you read what countries are allowed. So Canada, Ireland, United States, okay? Pay attention to this, guys. What I'm showing you here, don't just flat out copy what I'm gonna show you for every single campaign. Other campaigns, they might not allow Canada. Other campaigns, they might not, they might say something like, for example, no Microsoft advertising. If they say that, don't do that. You cannot use that offer, use something else, okay? So just pointing this out, guys, pay attention, read the description, read the rules, and read kind of the restrictions here. So what we're gonna do is let's head over into ClickMagick. Once you sign in, whether you have an account or you don't, click on links. And I created this new group called MaxBounty, all right? So we're just gonna create a link here. We're gonna click on create new link. We're gonna take our link here. I'm gonna go ahead and copy it, or just say copy link, same thing. and we're gonna paste it here, okay? Now I do suggest you also watch my video on how to set up sales tracking, because that's kind of the whole point of this. I don't wanna go too off topic, so I'm gonna put a link to that video in the description. So if you want, finish off this video and then go back and kind of set up the sales tracking, or pause this video and see the video on sales tracking, because you do have to set up sales tracking so you know what works, what doesn't, right? But for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna show you the process, and then you can do whatever you want with that. So MaxBounty here, let's call this is our Skincell Pro, let's say YT in case I already have one. You can leave the tracking link as is, but you do need to enter something here. So let's say Skincell Pro, we'll click create. And good, okay. So this is the link we're gonna be using to advertise, right? This link right here. So we're gonna head over into Microsoft Ads. If you don't have a Microsoft account, head over to ads.microsoft.com, create an account, very easy, very simple process. They give you a phone number, you can call them as well at ads.microsoft.com, and they can guide you through the whole process, very easy. But once you do create an account, you will land on a page that looks something like this. So what you're gonna do is click on create campaign. We're gonna click on visits to my website. You're gonna select search ads and we're gonna click next. I will in this video only cover like what you need. If you do want a more comprehensive video on what every single thing means, I do suggest you take a look at my course where I cover all of this in very great detail at ivanmana.com/all-courses, all right? So we're gonna enter a name for our campaign. Let's say Skincell Pro, let's say YT again, in case I already have the one. I don't remember if we created a test campaign yet. For the budget, we can leave it at $20. The more you spend, the faster you get the data. So there's no right answer. I think the minimum with Microsoft is either $1 or $5. Yeah, but $1 is gonna take a long time. I'd say at least $10 per day is what you should be spending, at least $10 per day, all right? So countries, okay, this is important. If you recall, we can only target Canada, Ireland, and US. So let's select these countries here. So Canada, target, Ireland, target, and United States. Target, okay, perfect. And we're gonna deselect this. We'll only say people in your target location. We're gonna leave the language at English. We're gonna leave that blank. We're gonna say save and go to next step, all right? And okay, so let's grab our link. So we have to actually click on this website so we can see if we can get some ideas. So I'm gonna preview this link and we're gonna enter this site right here. So we can probably enter the whole thing. So we can go ahead and copy that, come back here, enter the website URL, and let's see if we get any ideas here. Let's see if we get some ideas for keywords. If not, we'll just have to kind of play it by ear. So normally what I like to do is use the keyword planner, but again, I'm gonna put a link to that video in the description. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna look at the keyword suggestions and try to find relevant keywords, all right? So this is a skin and mole tag remover. So we wanna find keywords that pertain to that, right? Remove skin tags, skin tag removal, for example. So these are good. So for example, let's click here. So this is a good keyword, this is a good keyword, this is, these are all good keywords, okay? So in fact, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and add this here, okay? And we can go ahead and we can see what else. So skin tag removal product, so this is pretty good too. So I'm gonna select this. I don't wanna say plus because that might add it into a separate ad group. So instead we're gonna select this ad group, right? So notice how all these keywords have to do with remove, right? And this is because we want all the keywords to be relevant, because in the ads, we're gonna say whatever the ad group is about. So if the ad group is about remove skin tags, our ad is going to say remove skin tags, right? So that's the process. Maybe we can look at these keywords too and then see if I do that, it adds it into a different ad group. So you don't wanna just click the plus sign, you wanna actually go here and select it. I just wanted to show you that as an example. So I'm gonna Control X to cut it. And then I'm gonna open this ad group again and we're gonna add it here, okay? And then we're just gonna remove this ad group here, okay? Again, I do normally use the keyword planner just to get some more ideas to get different ad groups, but we're just gonna keep it simple here. We're just gonna go like this with what we have, okay? I think this is a healthy number of keywords. We have a lot of long tail keywords as well, which is 3 or more words. And we're gonna go ahead and save and go to next step. And now the final step is now we have to actually create the ad, right? So we're gonna click on create ad. We're gonna not select responsive search ad. I don't like that. We're gonna select expanded text ad and we're gonna go down the list. Now, the first thing we have to do, right? So let's go from top to bottom is enter the final URL. So for the final URL, it's always going to be this one right here, okay? So you can go ahead and just copy that and you can just paste it here. And then what I like to do, obviously you don't have to do it, is capitalize every letter of every of every new word. Skincell, actually Skincell is lowercase, so we'll just say skincell.net. And as you can see there, it stands out a little bit more, no big deal. Okay, so now we have title part 1. My rule of thumb for this is to add the keyword. So the theme, what's the theme of our keywords? It's remove skin tags, right? Remove skin moles. That's the theme. So what you want to do here is say something like skin tag remover. And maybe we can say 2021. Or we can say remove skin tags or how to remove skin tags. We're going to do another ad variation where we'll test that out. But this is basically the rule of thumb, right? Is whatever the ad group is about, whatever the keywords are, that's what you want to add as the headline 1. Headline part 2, I like to add a call to action. So buy now, order now, get now. So over here, order now. So let's see if they have any sort of discount here maybe. Maybe we can say order now for 20% off, for example. So perfect, 30% instant online discount today. Let's see if it says 30% discount here at the top. It does not, unfortunately, but we can still add it in because ultimately people will see that on the next page, right? So we can say buy now for 30% off, okay? And we can do that. Title part 3 is optional. Sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't if the space allows for it. So we're just gonna skip it for now. Path we can also skip, but you could say something like, for example, mole remover, for example, and then maybe like free trial or something like that if you're promoting like an online marketing product, things like that. At text 1, we do have to add a description. What I do like to do is also add the keyword as part of the description, because if you go to bing.com and you type something in, your keyword will actually be bolded in the description as well, right? So it draws a little bit more attention. So that's why we want to add it here. So if our keyword is like remove skin tags or skin tag remover, we want to add that here, right? So let's see what we can find. So we can say this is a fast and easy solution. So maybe let's do this, let's copy that, and then we're going to play around with this message. So this is going to be our message. This is the fast and easy solution for unwanted moles, okay? So we can say, we can delete that. We can say, and then I like to capitalize the first letter of every word again to get a little bit more attention. Fast and, let's remove a fast and easy. Let's just say fast and easy solution for unwanted moles. And to make some space, we're going to remove pesky and skin tags. And then we could say that works in your own home. All right, so we can say something like this. Again, we're capitalizing every first letter of every word for unwanted moles and skin tags that work in your own home. Okay, now we do want to try to add like skin tag remover, fast and easy. Let's say fast and easy skin tag remover, like that. Okay, and now this is going to be bolded if somebody types this in. Fast and easy skin tag remover for unwanted moles and skin tags. Okay, so that's perfect. So don't save yet. Now this is where the tracking part comes in, right? So we have to add the tracking thing here, the tracking template. So we're going to come back here and we're going to copy this link. Okay, this tracking link that we created, we're going to come back here. We're going to paste it. And now what I like to do is I like to say I like to use tokens. I'm going to put a link in the description again to a list of Microsoft ad tokens you could use, but here's what I like to use. For example, keyword / query string. Okay, so these are the main ones, right? After that, you can add things like ad group, then things like ad ID. And what this does is, right, these are Microsoft ad tokens. So for example, this keyword token, whatever keyword triggered the click to your ad, that's the keyword that's going to show up in Click Magic. All right, so now that we've saved that, over here, you're going to see clicks. If you click on that, you will know exactly which keyword triggered that click. And then for the query string, you will know exactly what query string. Query string is what somebody actually typed in. So keyword is like the actual keywords that we selected, but a query string is what somebody actually typed in, right? So if your keyword is remove skin tags yourself, as you can see over here, somebody could have typed in how to remove skin tags yourself at home. So that, the whole thing is the query string, but the keyword is remove skin tags yourself, right? So this is going to be useful for optimization purposes. Take a look at my case study video on Microsoft Ads and Google Ads if you want to know how to optimize, because this information helps us improve campaign performance as I show you exactly in the case study that we did. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and click save and create another. And let's do one more variation. So we're going to scroll back up to the top. So instead of saying skin tag remover 2021, for example, we can say how to remove skin tags, for example. And then we could probably say 2021 as well, there's space, right? How to remove skin tags. And then if somebody clicks on this, they'll be taken to this page and they will have the chance to buy, okay? And this is how I made some of my MaxBounty sales back when I was using MaxBounty, right? And you guys can do it too. You just have to go in, select your offer, follow the rules, make sure you're targeting the right countries that they'll allow, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna hit save. That looks good. We're gonna scroll down. We're gonna leave these extensions blank. Again, I do cover how to do these in my courses, guys, at ivanmana.com/all-courses. But we're gonna go ahead and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We're gonna go and save and go to next step. We're gonna confirm our budget here, and we're gonna leave this at enhanced CPC. If you don't see the manual CPC option, that's okay. Just go with enhanced CPC. It's gonna be similar. And then what we're gonna do is put an amount. So how much are you willing to spend per click? So right now, I'm willing to spend up to 33 cents per click. If you don't wanna pay that, you can maybe try 20. My rule of thumb is I always like to start low and then slowly increase it. So if I start, for example, at 33 cents, it's possible that I might exhaust my budget in, the next few hours. So just to be safe, maybe keep the bid low, like 10 cents, and then observe your campaign. If you're not getting as many clicks and impressions as you would like to, then you can increase it. But it's better to do that than to exhaust your budget in like an hour and then not realize what hit you, right? By then it's too late. You already spent all your money. So I would suggest starting low. Maybe let's start at 10 cents and see if we get any clicks. And if we don't, then we can increase it slowly to 15, 20. As you can see, if it's 33 cents, then we're gonna get, an estimated 466 clicks per month, which is a lot, okay? But we're gonna go back to 10 cents. These are also just, suggestions. This isn't like set in stone, like you're guaranteed to get this. That's just what Bing or Microsoft Ads thinks you'll get, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and click save. And that is pretty much it, guys. The quickest way to promote MaxBounty products, or frankly, any product for that matter. You're gonna have your ads, right? You see everything on the left. You see your ads, your keywords, your campaigns. And then if somebody clicks on this, right, they'll be taken to this page, they'll be able to buy, and you will get your $88 US. So that is it. This is the quickest way. Guys, if you haven't checked out my free affiliate marketing guide on what affiliate marketing is, how it works, take a look at ivanmana.com. It's a free 55-page affiliate marketing guide you can take a look at yourself. And if you want to go into the nitty-gritty detail and see everything there is to know about either Microsoft Ads, Facebook Ads, Google Ads, how I make money, the 3-step ladder to success with affiliate marketing, all these different courses, take a look at ivanmana.com/all-courses. That being said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.